Grade 9, let us look at this problem. They're saying ABC is a parallelogram. They have given us the figure. Calculate the value of x. Now, I want you to think of this property. When it's a triangle, the sum of interior angles in a triangle, they are equal to 180. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. It has four sides. It's a four-sided shape. Now, I need to use that property. The sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to now 360. For a triangle, 180. For a quadrilateral, 360. Now, you will ask yourself, say, I am given only two angles here. Okay, let us think of the properties of a parallelogram. The properties of a parallelogram says that this angle is equal to that one. So x plus 50 degrees. The opposite angles, they are equal. So this angle opposite to that one is also equal. 3x minus 20 degrees. Now we have all the angles. Now what we're going to do now is use statement reason. I think this will be insufficient. This space is very, very short. And reason, right. Statement and reason. I'm gonna write in a very small, I'm gonna use a very small handwriting because, okay, yeah. Now, for a second, because I have a limited space, I'm gonna say there are two of these, right? How am I gonna write that? This is my statement 2 into x plus 50. They are 2, as you can see. Plus, remember, I'm adding everything. So 2 of these and 2 of these plus 2 of 3x minus 20 degrees. All they're equal to 360. Don't make a mistake of saying 180 because we are used to that. No. This is a quadrilateral, so it's equal to 360. The reason is sum, like you said, in a triangle, but this is a quadrilateral. Sum of angles in a parallelogram. You can say sum of angles in a parallelogram, or you can say sum of angles in a quadrilateral, in a quad. You can also say quadrilateral, because this shape is a quadrilateral. 4 shape. Quad means 4. 4 shapes. Right. 4 sides. 4 sides. Now, this is your statement. This is your reason. You get a mark for this. You get a mark for that. Right. For our next step, we need to just use distributive property, right? Because we did this way. But if you have enough space, just say x plus 50 plus x plus 50 plus 3x minus 20 plus 3x minus 20. Add everything basically. But now, because you have all these chunks, whenever you add something, just put in brackets so that you don't make a mess. But it won't change anything at all. But brackets are always advisable. Right. So this is distributive property. 2 will be multiplied inside here to the first term and multiplied to the second term inside the bracket. So this is 2x, 2 times 50 plus 100 degrees plus 2 times 3x. Again, I'm going to use distributive property. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 20 is negative 40. Right, is equal to 360. You see now, my things are very simple now. From here, I'm gonna simplify because they are like terms. This is a like term with that one. 2x plus 6 is like adding 2 goats. 2 goats plus 6 goats is 8 goats, and goats is represented x. 100 minus 40, that is plus 60 degrees. We take a sign of a bigger number, then we subtract. Remember, is equal to 60 360 degrees. I'm still following. I'm sorry for writing that small. I'm sorry. Now what we need to do is to isolate x. Take the variables to the left and the numbers to the right. Now 8x is equal to, we have 360 already on the right. We're gonna bring 60, is positive, it's gonna be negative 60. That is all we do. So now we have 8x, we are simplifying the right. This is 300. I'm not gonna teach you that. You, come on, I'm not gonna explain how. Use your calculator then. Right. So now I'm looking for x, not 8x. So I need to divide by this coefficient. Whatever I do to the left must be done to the right so that the equation balances. Now x is equal to, I don't know what is 300 divided by 8. And I'm not gonna have to calculate that. I'm gonna pause this video. So the correct answer is 37.5. Oh, even if I wanted to, I would have not calculated that using my head. No. I know I can do a lot of stuff, but that was so improbable. No.